What's up, guys? We're doing wheel bearings on the motorcycle today. Just froze them, got them out of the freezer. They're ice cold right now. That's the best time to do it. So we got one bearing in. The next step is to put this circlip in. Sweet, that's one side. Don't forget the seal. That'll do it. So you want to grease this up. Don't forget to grease. Don't forget your spacer. Make sure it's all cleaned, ready to go. Woo. And that is how you do wheel bearings. Nice, silky smooth, no hang-ups. Oh, that is nice.